lost my mind. I don't mind. Where's my mind? Where's my mind? Maybe it's in the gutter where I left my lover. What an expensive thing. My V is for vendetta. I thought that I'd feel better, and now I got a bellyache. Maybe it's in the